This video has been produced to assist you in the use of the micro drill out power extractor. First, obtain a 1/4 or 3/8 variable speed electric or battery powered drill set for reverse or counterclockwise. Next, determine the size of the micro drill out you require. Attach the rounded end securely into the drill chuck with the drill point exposed. Place the tip of the micro drill out onto the broken fastener and begin drilling. With the hole started, stop and observe, making certain you're on the center of the broken fastener. The most important step in extracting a broken fastener is drilling a hole on center and straight. With the hole started on center, hold the drill parallel to the axis of the broken fastener and continue drilling. We recommend an approximate speed of 75 to 100 RPMs. Stop drilling when you've reached the major diameter of the tool body. Now, remove the micro drill out from the drill chuck and reattach the tool at the opposite end onto the hex portion. Place the tool into the drilled hole, touch the trigger of the power drill. The tool will engage and remove the broken fastener quickly and effectively. To remove the micro drill out from the broken fastener, firmly tighten the broken fastener into a vise. Using an adjustable wrench on the hex portion of the tool, simply turn clockwise. There you have it, your micro drill out is ready to be reused again.